The Monster S310 Bluetooth speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at a portable Bluetooth speaker by Monster, the S310. I will go over specs, features, provide music samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the quick start guide and the micro USB-C cable for charging. The S310 features 16 plus hours of playtime with a 4000 mAh battery, uses Bluetooth 4.2, 32 watt speakers, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The speaker is pretty compact in size and it's very light. It has a black fabric mesh lining all around and an adjustable lanyard on the top. On the bottom, it has a rubber base to provide stability. On the top of the speaker, you can see the chrome accenting along with the branding. You have the following controls: the power button, LED, volume up, volume down, mode button, microphone, and the multi-function button. On the back, you have a rubber cover, and underneath it, you'll find the micro SD card slot, status LED, charging port, and the reset button. The speaker is about 3 inches wide and about 6.5 inches long. It weighs in at roughly 479 grams. And now for some audio samples.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance.
The S310 produces decent sounds for its size. The bass is prominent but not too heavy. Mids and highs come in clear, and volume levels get high with no distortion. This is definitely made for portability. It can easily cover a small room or setting. So this would be good if you're on the go or just want to have something on your shelf for casual listening. The battery life is respectable at 16 plus hours, and it provides you an IPX5 rating for protection against the elements. So that is my review of the Monster S310 Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.